All right, folks, so today we're going to test 4K and at 30 frames per second, and then obviously 30, and then 1080p at 60 frames per second. A little stabilization test, sound quality test. We're going to walk around, walk the block, and you tell me what you think now. It's your man Jay. Let's get this video going. All right, guys, here is 4K at 30 frames per second. Let's circle around this way this time, since we did 1080p the first time, 1080p at 30 frames per second. Let's circle around in 4K and see what this Pixel 3a XL is doing. Stabilization looks good so far. Quick lap around the block. This is about a 3-minute walk probably for me. I'm taking my time, maybe 2.5, 3. Got to get some steps in too, you know. Older you get, folks, exercise. You'll be happy that you did. Look how the colors are reproduced. See what you guys think about the audio in 4K. Not that it should be any different in 4K, but I've seen some videos where the audio does sound different depending on the resolution, on certain devices, not all. And you can control that. It's either going to be, I think, H.264 or H.265. I think this camera is obviously right on par. It's pretty much the same camera as the Pixel 3. In the other video I did on my unboxing, hope you guys enjoyed that. If you haven't checked it out yet, please check it out. I asked if some of you Pixel 3 owners felt cheated, because there are a few things that this phone has that the Pixel 3 owners pay for the higher device and it doesn't have. So, do you feel cheated? In my Pixel 3, Pixel Squad group, a lot of guys said, nah, I don't feel cheated. They're perfectly happy with their current Pixel 3 and have no intentions on changing to the 3a XL or the 3a. And I don't blame them. I mean, you're going to be losing a few things. IP rating, wireless charging, etc. I've already gone over all of that, so you be the judge of what you think you're losing or gaining, if it's worth it to you. So this is 4K, 30 frames per second. How do you like it? We lap back around, the car's still running. And that's the stabilization test and quality test and audio test in 4K on the Pixel 3a XL. I'm sure it's going to be the same on the Pixel 3a too. Same camera. I was going to bring the Beast out, but Green Machine is blocking the view, blocking the way, so I'm not moving it. Not today. Anyway, folks, there you have it. What do you think?